and welcome back to the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today we are talking about saver spouse versus spender spouse, or significant other, or whoever you're in a relationship with. Are you the saver or are you the spender? Well, you need to ask yourself that question because that's going to help you be able to manage your money better in your relationship. So, if you're always, as soon as you get a dollar in your pocket or as soon as you have the opportunity, you are rushing to spend the money, get the money, buy whatever those items are, or even if you are always thinking about, oh, how can I, buy this or whatever, then you, my friend, are the spender in the relationship. If you're like me and you're trying to make sure that you save every dime and that you put things away for the future and that you, try to penny pinch and budget and make sure things are in the right space at all times, that you're not overspending, and then that you're paying for the necessary things for the future, life insurance, etc., then you, my friend, are the saver in the relationship. Now, those two different roles in your relationship can work together, because if you have great communication with each other and you lay everything out on the table, you can definitely work together to make sure that you are staying within your budget, that you are purchasing things that both of you are interested in and that are beneficial for your relationship, and then also that you are making sure that you have a nest egg for the future. I know a lot of people don't necessarily think about the future and think about what could happen, and you need those type of things in your brain so that you know exactly what you have to do to prepare for certain things. You want to prepare for retirement. You want to prepare for if someone accidentally gets hurt on the job or is unable to work. You want to prepare for death. So, when you prepare for those things, and then you're also saving for fun things, like maybe you want to buy another home, buy another car, buy your first car, go on a nice, huge vacation, any of those things. So, you have to make sure that you guys come together on one accord to make sure that your plans and your goals come into fruition. Now, one of the ways that you can start seeing where each other is on this journey is by downloading my free questions. There's like 10 questions there for you to ask your significant other. Download it. The link is in the description box, and this will help you get a hold of the information that you need about each other and each other's finances. So it asks questions like, what are some of the history that, financial history with your family? So maybe when you guys got together, you didn't really ask those questions. You didn't know what the goals were that your significant other wanted to accomplish, or you didn't know their past, what they had been through in the past. Maybe they lived on a one income household budget. Maybe they were living extravagantly in their household. You need to ask those questions so that you can see exactly where your significant other is. And once you guys know exactly where the other person is on this journey, then you can go from there and start working together to build your budget, build your future goals and plans, figure out your retirement, figure out your life insurance and wills and estates and trusts and all of those things together. But only if you start from the beginning will you be able to put that plan into place for the future. This could happen in the beginning of a relationship. So say you're just now starting to date and you want to make this work, and so you can get that worksheet and go through that with each other. This could also be if you're 20 years into your relationship and hey, something needs to give, right? So you have to look at it and say, okay, we're not on the same page here financially, and there has to be a reason why. So let's get this worksheet and start working together and finding out where each other stands in our finances. And once you find out where each other stands in the finances, then you can take that information and go on to the next step in your lives. Now, if you have any questions or any comments or how you can move forward with this, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. I will definitely respond. And then if you have suggestions on what else you'd like to learn here on the Financial Spotlight, I will definitely make more videos in reference to managing money as a couple and or as a married couple or whatever, and so that you guys can be on one accord and work together to build your relationship, build your finances, and reach all of your goals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Make sure that you like it if it has helped you, and also don't forget to put those comments in the comment section if you have any questions or if you have suggestions for other videos, and download that free guide or that free bundle so that you guys can work through your financial past and financial future together. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.